and it's not as easy as it looked. PJ apparently was. Whoa! Zanardi gets in trouble trying it again.
He tried it in the same spot where he had a problem. This is what we were talking about. It's very difficult to pass it, and they are dangerous spots. He's out. That's his race.
And his championship.
And more than likely his championship.
Alex Zanardi climbs out. He's going to be furious. You saw him. We're just showing you the replay where he tried it once, then he tried it again, and it got him into the wall.
Here he'll come in here. Now he's going to go around the outside. PJ doesn't see him. He's taking the race in line. Boy, he got up there. PJ, I don't think ever saw him on the outside like that. Boy, that was a lucky maneuver. He's going to be very upset. Look at him just pulling that off, throwing his baklava and his, whoa, he's upset.
And a frightening situation when he rolled up like that, almost put his head up into the barrier fence.
Yeah, but you can tell. See the mark on there was a little black mark right on top of his helmet where it looked like it rubbed across something. But he's more upset, not about the incident, but he's upset about the results. Took him out of the championship, took him out of another race win.
He had this race handled in the early laps, certainly had the fastest car on the track, but that incident gives it over to Michael Andretti. Bobby Rahal comes forward into second place. Oh, look at this anger. He's looking for somebody to shakes off his PR guy, Michael Knight.
See, he comes in here again, and that's the racing line that Parnelli Jones has taken. But look at this.
Well, and as a result of this and some other debris on the track, they're going to go full course yellow. That means, of course, that the field will bunch up. The pace car will come up. And Mike's trying to say Alex does not want to talk at all. I think Alex does, but everybody would prefer he doesn't. Full course yellow. Everybody comes into the pits as soon as they open. Michael Andretti, the leader of the race, makes a stop. Rahal comes in too. Michael's got to be careful of speed. Look at that crowd coming in.
It's unbelievable. I don't think he's got to worry about the speed limit. He just wants to get past those cars so he can get out in front of the field. Well, he did. He made a good stop. Look who's out second.
Oh, they get all caught up. Rahal comes out. Herta comes out. DeFerrin has to wait.
But it looked like Vassar got out in third spot, which is what he wanted. He wanted to get back out there and look like Al was fourth. I don't know if that's the way they actually made it onto the track, but that's what it appeared.
Once again, on a road course, as we said so many times, Danny, the crew can do often things that you can't on the racetrack by getting you forward with a fast stop.
Well, let me give you a perfect example. Let's say you go in there and make a pit stop, and you get it done in 13 seconds, and the other guy does it in 15 seconds. That's 2 seconds. Do you know how much ground you have to make up to make 2 seconds on a guy that you're racing against? That's a huge amount.
The shattered car of Zanardi was looking for Rookie of the Year points as well as championship points. Here it is again. Now won before hard hits.
Boy, that was a big accident, but as I said, I think his adrenaline and his anger is going so strong right now. I don't even think he's thinking about the accident. He just realized that from that move, how much he lost.
And how smart is P.J. Jones staying out? Very safe place.